సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss filter circuits. To understand these filter circuits, to understand these filter circuits, first of all, you must watch the half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Their links are in the description below. So first of all, you must watch these two classes. Then you easily understand the filter circuits. What is the filter? Filter means already we know that purification. So this filter circuit used in rectifier circuits, the conversion of AC to DC. So first of all, what is the filter circuit? When suppose for example AC input voltage is applied to the rectifier, getting the output DC voltage, but that DC voltage will be a refill voltage and have a refills. So refill means just like as a AC component. So first of all, we applied the AC voltage to the rectifier getting the DC voltage. So but this DC voltage is the pulsating DC and also DC from refill components and so many disturbance DC. So that output DC voltage is the purification with the filter. Then the pure DC is output. Okay, this is the filter circuit. Okay, this is the process of purification of DC, filter DC. So first of all, AC input voltage is the applied to rectification of AC voltage through the rectifier. This is the rectifier. So output is the DC. This output DC has refills, so pulsating DC. So then this pulsating DC to filter. So this is the filter circuit. So then the filter, then the purification, the pure DC. This is the pure DC. This is the load resistance. Then output is the pure DC, that is the filter DC. So this is the process of the purification of AC to DC. General, what is the rectifier? So you must watch the half wave and full wave rectifier classes. Their links are in the description below. So first of all, so this is the transformer, this is the primary coil, this is the secondary coil. So the primary coil is connected to AC voltage. The secondary coil connected to PN junction diode. This is the diode. So the load resistance, this is the load resistance. So this is the primary coil connected to AC voltage, secondary coil connected to PN junction diode, the diode. So these two are connected to load resistance. Then output is this is the RL. Then output is the DC. This is the DC. So this DC is the pulsating DC. Okay, Then this pulsating DC have the REFLs and AC components. Then we filter the DC voltage. Okay, this is the half wave rectifier. This is the half wave rectifier. So this is the pulsating DC and also refilled DC. So then we have to use the filter. Then this filter. Then output is the pure DC. Output is the pure DC. This is the half wave rectifier. So same as this is the full wave rectifier. So this is the full wave rectifier. There are two diodes. Same primary is connected to AC, secondary is connected to two PN junction diodes. Two diodes. That means these two are connected to load resistance. Then we get the DC voltage. That DC voltage is pulsating DC, and that DC voltage has components of AC components and refills. So then we have to filter. This is the filter. We have to filter. Then we have to then filter the DC pulsating DC. So pure DC. Okay. Generally, the output of half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier circuit is not pure DC. Because that output of out wave rectifier and full wave rectifier DC, it contains fluctuations or ripples or pulsating DC. That means some small AC components which are desired. Okay, to minimize these fluctuations, these ripples, these pulsating components content in output, filter circuits are used. Okay, these filter circuits are connected between the rectifier and load resistance. So once again, the output of half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier circuit is not pure DC, but it contains fluctuations or ripples or pulsating DC which are undesired. To minimize AC components or ripples or fluctuations or pulsatings content in output, filter circuits are used. To minimize these components, filter circuits are used. The filter circuits are connected between the rectifier and load resistance. Okay, that means the filter circuits, this is the filter circuits, the filter circuits connected, okay, connected to, this is the rectifier, this is the AC component, this is the filter circuit, this is the rectifier. So the output is the pure DC. According to filter circuits in power supply systems, there are four types. One is the shunt capacitor filter, second one is the series inductor filter or choke input filter, third one is the L section filter, finally 5 section filter. In filter circuits, inductance is always connected series. Inductance is always connected in series with the load. The inductance used in filter circuits is also called as choke. That means the inductance used in filter circuit also called as choke. Okay. And shunt means shunt capacitor. Shunt filter means shunt capacitor filter. A capacitor is connected in parallel. So one by one we'll discuss the types of filters. First is the shunt capacitor filter. Second is the series inductor filter, that is the choke input filter. Third one is the L section filter. Fourth one is the 5 section filter.